These Mercurial Dream Speed, these are the Academy versions. So they were around £75–80 for these football boots, and they are FG and MG, so you can wear them on firm grounds, and you could get away with wearing them on artificial grass if you play on weekdays like 5-a-side or 7-a-side. Yeah, you can also wear these. Just be a bit careful when you first use them. Like after a couple training sessions, the boot should soften up, and then the sole plate should be a bit more comfortable to your feet. But in the first few training sessions, be careful if you're playing on artificial grass, because usually when you're wearing a new pair of football boots that isn't fully for AG, you can easily twist an ankle or slip over, so just do be careful. Yeah, these football boots are just for, amateur players that just want to play football, maybe on a weekday, once a week. And then if they have like a Saturday game or a Sunday game, these are an ideal pair of football boots. For sure, they can last you a season, and they have very, very similar feeling and contact for the ball, like the Mercurials Elite versions. So yeah, fairly similar. It's just it's a takedown model with not as nice or not as comfortable barefoot-like feel compared to the Elites. But to be honest, there isn't much difference. Has a good feeling for the ball, and the material do soften after a few training sessions or few use. So yeah, it's a very, very good football boot. And also for feet type, it can fit wide feet players as well, because it's not as how do I say, the midfoot area is very stretchy. Maybe it's due to the material, so it allows wide feet players to wear these football boots as well. If you've got very wide feet, do try them on first before getting them. I'd recommend Phantom GX if you've got very wide feet over these. But overall, these football boots are very, very good investment. They are heavier than the Elite and Pro versions, so they may offer more protection, especially if playing for Saturday or Sunday league. So that could be a good thing. Yeah, so these are very, very good football boots, very cheap price, and I highly recommend them. If you do have these, please leave a comment down below what you think of them, as it helps for sure people that are making a decision. And I'll see you next time for another unboxing and playtest and comparison video. All the very best, and take care.